crack up, meaning suddenly laugh a lot, suddenly laugh a lot. You always crack up at silly jokes. You always crack up at silly jokes. Hang out, meaning spend time relaxing with someone. Spend time relaxing with someone. Let's hang out in the park this afternoon. Let's hang out in the park this afternoon. Meet up, meaning arrange to see someone. Arrange to see someone. We should meet up before the film starts. We should meet up before the film starts. Drop by, meaning visit someone briefly. Visit someone briefly. You can drop by later if you're free. You can drop by later if you're free. Come over, meaning go to someone's home. Go to someone's home. Why don't you come over after work? Why don't you come over after work? Show up, meaning arrive somewhere. Arrive somewhere. Try to show up on time tonight. Try to show up on time tonight. Dress up, meaning wear smart or fancy clothes. Wear smart or fancy clothes. We have to dress up for the event tonight. We have to dress up for the event tonight. Get together, meaning gather socially. Gather socially. Let's get together this weekend and catch up. Let's get together this weekend and catch up. Catch up, meaning update each other on life. Update each other on life. We need to catch up properly. It's been ages. We need to catch up properly. It's been ages. Chat up, meaning flirt or start a friendly conversation. Flirt or start a friendly conversation. He's trying to chat up everyone at the party. He's trying to chat up everyone at the party. Ask out, meaning invite someone on a date. Invite someone on a date. I might ask out Julie if I feel brave enough. I might ask out Julie if I feel brave enough. Show off, meaning behave in a way to attract attention. Behave in a way to attract attention. He loves to show off when he's with his mates. He loves to show off when he's with his mates. Pitch in, meaning help or contribute. Help or contribute. If everyone can pitch in, the party will be sorted quickly. If everyone can pitch in, the party will be sorted quickly. Chip in, meaning contribute money or effort. Contribute money or effort. We can all chip in for a birthday present. We can all chip in for a birthday present. Join in. Join in. Meaning participate. Participate. Feel free to join in if you want to play. Feel free to join in if you want to play. Head out. Head out. Meaning leave to go somewhere. Leave to go somewhere. Let's head out before the queue gets massive. Let's head out before the queue gets massive. Pop in. Pop in. Meaning visit briefly. Visit briefly. I'll pop in after lunch to say hello. I'll pop in after lunch to say hello. Turn up. Turn up. Meaning appear somewhere unexpectedly. Appear somewhere unexpectedly. If they turn up later, we'll make space. If they turn up later, we'll make space. Bump into. Bump into. Meaning meet someone unexpectedly. Meet someone unexpectedly. I always bump into old school friends in town. I always bump into old school friends in town. Look after. Look after. Meaning take care of. Take care of. Can you look after the drinks while I step outside? Can you look after the drinks while I step outside? Look forward to. Look forward to. Meaning feel excited about something coming. Feel excited about something coming. I always look forward to our Friday nights. I always look forward to our Friday nights. Hang on. Hang on. Meaning wait a moment. Wait a moment. Hang on while I grab my jacket. Hang on while I grab my jacket. Mix up. Mix up. Meaning confuse people or things. Confuse people or things. Try not to mix up the names when you introduce us. Try not to mix up the names when you introduce us. Back out. Back out. Meaning withdraw from an arrangement. Withdraw from an arrangement. Don't back out now. We already booked the table. Don't back out now. We already booked the table. Turn down. Turn down. Meaning refuse or reject. Refuse or reject. I don't want to turn down an invitation, but I'm busy tonight. I don't want to turn down an invitation, but I'm busy tonight. Fit in. Fit in. Meaning feel comfortable socially. Feel comfortable socially. It takes time to fit in with a new group. It takes time to fit in with a new group. Get along. Get along. Meaning have a good relationship. Have a good relationship. I really get along with everyone in that club. I really get along with everyone in that club. Go out. Go out. Meaning socialize outside the home. Socialize outside the home. We don't go out much during winter. We don't go out much during winter. Bring along. Bring along. Meaning Take someone or something with you. Take someone or something with you. You can bring along a friend if you want. You can bring along a friend if you want. Tag along. Tag along. Meaning, join even if not invited. Join even if not invited. Mind if I tag along for the meal? Mind if I tag along for the meal? Play along. Play along. Meaning, pretend to agree with a situation. Pretend to agree with a situation. Just play along until we reveal the surprise. Just play along until we reveal the surprise. Laugh off. Laugh off. Meaning, dismiss something by laughing. Dismiss something by laughing. He tries to laugh off every awkward moment. He tries to laugh off every awkward moment. Open up. Open up. Meaning, talk more honestly. Talk more honestly. It takes him a while to open up to new people. It takes him a while to open up to new people. Catch on. Catch on. Meaning, become popular or understood. Become popular or understood. These social games usually catch on quickly. These social games usually catch on quickly. Come across. Come across. Meaning, seem or appear in a certain way. Seem or appear in a certain way. I don't want to come across as rude. I don't want to come across as rude. Fall out. Fall out. Meaning, argue and stop being friends. Argue and stop being friends. I don't want to fall out over something so small. I don't want to fall out over something so small. Make up. Make up. Meaning, reconcile after a disagreement. Reconcile after a disagreement. Let's make up and move on from this. Let's make up and move on from this. Walk out. Walk out. Meaning, leave suddenly because you're upset. Leave suddenly because you're upset. Please don't walk out in the middle of the discussion. Please don't walk out in the middle of the discussion. Speak up. Speak up. Meaning, talk more loudly or confidently. Talk more loudly or confidently. Try to speak up so everyone can hear. Try to speak up so everyone can hear. Calm down. Calm down. Meaning, relax after being upset. Relax after being upset. Let's calm down and sort this properly. Let's calm down and sort this properly. Stick around. Stick around. Meaning, stay longer. Stay longer. You should stick around after dinner. You should stick around after dinner. Light up. Light up. Meaning, become visibly happier. Become visibly happier. She always seems to light up when her friends arrive. She always seems to light up when her friends arrive. mess around, mess around, meaning behave in a silly, playful way. Behave in a silly, playful way. Let's just mess around and enjoy the evening. Let's just mess around and enjoy the evening.